Soon, people in Indiana could see a break on their state income taxes. State lawmakers are on the verge of approving a 5% cut.
The cut would happen in phases and go into full effect in 2017. News Channel 15's Randy Spieth looked into how much money you could save, and he joins us now with more. Randy?
Mark and Heather, today Governor Mike Pence said this cut is part of a great victory for Indiana taxpayers. It's the second tax break Hoosiers have seen this year. A surplus in Indiana's bank account is paying dividends for Hoosiers.
Clearly, we've come out of the recession with a more healthy state financial picture from a state government perspective. None of this would have been possible had we not been running some surpluses where all the sources of revenue coming into the state were greater than what we were spending on services and capital improvements.
John Stafford's the director of the Community Research Institute at IPFW. He compares the tax cut to the automatic tax credit Hoosiers got when they filed their 2012 taxes.
The closest thing that we can parallel this with was the $100 per person tax rebate that we all got from last year based on the state surplus, where there was that piece of legislation that said if we have a surplus of over a certain level, every taxpayer in the state is going to get a flat amount of money. I believe that was $100 a person. Well, this is a very comparable amount of money, and obviously for each household it's going to be different.
This is how the cut breaks down. For example, right now a household that makes $50,000 a year pays the state $1,700. By 2017, that same household will pay $1,615 to the state. That's a savings of $85 a year. You could turn around and use that money to buy your favorite latte from your favorite coffee shop every day for a month.
I think that's significant. It adds up. I would probably save it for college.
Anything the government's willing to give back is going to always be a help or an assistance. It's not a lot, but it's more than a dollar, you know. I mean, so whenever we can use or whatever they're willing to give back is always going to be helpful.
The plan, among other things, also gives an extra $215 million a year to road and bridge projects. There's already a story on Wayne.com that explains how money will be spent. State lawmakers are expected to vote on this plan tomorrow. Mark and Heather, back to you.